The Davyhurst Gold Mining Centre is located around 150 kilometres to the northwest of Kalgoorlie. Ora Banda has a large land holding here, and we're currently restarting operations. We started this process back in 2019. We restarted processing in January 2021 and have now been running for about 5 months. As part of the Capital Works program, we needed to re-establish a power station at Davyhurst, and we worked with Aggreko and Evol to build a natural gas-powered power station. The power station was commissioned in December 2020 and has now been operating for the last 5 months, supplying all the power to the Davyhurst site. Initially, power was supplied to the site via an overhead line from Kalgoorlie. The power station developed for the site now supplies power to the process plant, the administration complex, our exploration and core processing facilities, the main mine camp, and out to the underground mining offices. They also power our primary communications facilities.
Miners are good at mining and really need to focus their attention there. When you're in the junior space, a power plant's a large capex, and if you don't have the life of mine to amortise that, then you're on a hiding to nothing in the first instance. So being able to outsource that lets you focus on your core game of mining and not be tied up focusing elsewhere.
The contract is a great example where the site had previously operated on diesel. However, Ora Banda wanted to operate the mine on a cleaner fuel, and we were able to switch the technology from diesel to gas.
The power station comprised 5 LNG gas generating sets and 2 diesel generating sets for a combined power of just over 8 megawatts, and we're currently using about 6 of the 8 megawatts that are on offer. Working with Aggreko resulted in significant reduction in greenhouse gas emissions for the company.
The power plant installed by Aggreko is performing above expectations in terms of its fuel consumption, so we're getting benefits from that. And in terms of reliability, then it's certainly meeting expectations.
This project demonstrates great innovation and the use of a virtual gas pipeline, and the world first for our new gas technology. It's highly efficient, scalable, and very suitable for the introduction of solar at a later date.